Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and now we are February 1st. We are starting the second month of the year 2024. We have our first look at January for Windows market share, and I don't know if this is going to be showing us a trend, but if it is, Windows 10 might start declining a little faster. Now, according to GStat Global Stat Counter, this is the situation as of January. So this is the January number for 2024. Now, in December, Windows 10 was at 67.4. It is in January, end of January, 66.4. A drop of 1%. That's a pretty fast drop. So this is interesting. And what's also interesting is that in December, Windows 11 at 26.5%. Now we're at 27.8%. More than 1% climb in Windows 11 adoption. And I wouldn't be surprised that these numbers might be coming through because of PC sales for the holiday season. One of the things that most PC makers and a lot of numbers going through is that PC sales should start either stabilizing or maybe even start climbing this year, because it is that time when the PCs are starting to get a refresh. According to some of the stats, a lot of the refresh actually comes at 3 to 4 year range. People bought PCs 4 years ago for the pandemic. So those PCs are 4 years old today, which goes really fast. Which means that in the cycles of PC replacement, it's about the time when a lot of people replace their PCs. A lot of people keep PCs for very, very long, but some people change their PCs every 3 or 4 years. So could this be a sign that Windows 11 is going to gain more momentum this year and that Windows 10 might decline faster? We'll see it month after month, but I think 2024 is that year where it's going to be interesting to see where are we at when we'll get to November and we'll be at 1 year left for the standard support of Windows 10. Where will we be at? If we continue declining at least 1%, we'll still be high, but we'll be getting low. And if Windows 11 continues to rise at a rate of about 1% or even more, we're going to get a interesting number here. And could this be even accelerating? Could the decline of Windows 10 go faster this year and the rise of Windows 11 go faster? These are all interesting questions. So this is going to be 2024, and it's going to be interesting to see where all of that is. And of course, add the equation of, will there be a Windows 12, or are we going to stay in Windows 11 also? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.